Today we're gonna make something very delicious, very buttery, very creamy, coconuttery, turmeric. It's gonna have turmeric in it. It's gonna be spicy. It's gonna be so good. We're gonna make us a coconut cream, turmeric, baked chicken. All right, guys? All right, let's get right into it. We're gonna start off with about a teaspoon of salt, some garlic powder, about a teaspoon, white pepper, about half a teaspoon of white pepper. And we're gonna do chili powder and Cajun seasoning, about a teaspoon of each. And our special ingredients, ground turmeric, let's do two teaspoons of that. Some crushed red pepper, kick up the spice level up, maybe half a teaspoon. Mix this up. And some sesame seed oil, 1 or 2 tablespoons. There goes all my sesame seed oil. Since I'm out of sesame seed oil, I'm gonna add some olive oil. About a tablespoon or so. There, now it's a paste consistency. These chickens are already washed and dried, so all we gotta do left is pour our marinade on top and marinate it. We'll mix this up. And let's put it into this container here, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator overnight. We have our chicken that's been marinated in the refrigerator. So turn this cast iron on, let it heat up. We're gonna toss in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let that melt down. We can take our chicken, throw it inside. Like so. Flip this over. Nice and golden. We're just trying to brown this outside a little bit before we bake it. So it's kind of brown. It's not cooked in the inside yet. Down here, we can toss in, this is like half a red onion, chopped about 1 inch in length, roughly chopped. We throw that in there. We want to caramelize the onions down a little bit. Get them nice and tender and caramelized. 3 cloves of garlic that I smashed. Toss it in there. I got about half a pound of grape tomatoes here. I'm gonna throw these in as well. A little bit of salt. Coconut cream. Throw that in there. Just the cream. This is unsweetened, by the way. I just want the cream, I don't want the juices. Turn up the fire to high heat. Now we're gonna render this down a bit, get all the liquids out as much as we can, get all the water out as much as we can. Turn the heat down to medium low, let it simmer. Look at the mess I made. Jesus Christ. I have mushrooms too. I forgot to put in the mushrooms, so let's throw in the mushrooms as well. 227 grams, 8 ounces of portobello mushrooms. Turn off the stove, and then we're gonna put back in our chicken, and then we're gonna bake our chicken. There we go. Okay, I have my oven on. We're gonna put it in here. The newer oven should go like about 375 will be good. We're gonna put it in here for about 40 minutes. But first I'm gonna put it for 30 minutes first, and then we're gonna check it at 30, and then we have to go push it to 40 minutes. Open this up. Put it in here. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. Be careful, it's very, very hot. Oh my gosh. I have this meat thermometer here that I'm gonna insert into the chicken and see, make sure it's at the right temperature. We want it to be above 160 degrees. I don't think it's ready yet, so I'm gonna do another 10 minutes. Been another 10 minutes, so it's 40 minutes total. Test this one more time. All right, it should be good. It's delicious. It's very good. Let's plate this up and have a taste. Let's get a chicken with our coconut sauce and mushrooms and onions and tomatoes. Dip it with the coconut cream sauce. Ooh, wow, that's so good, so creamy. Let's try some mushrooms. Wow, that's so good. That cream, the coconut cream, the butter, it tastes so good. Everything goes so well together. Try a tomato, piece of chicken, and a mushroom. Try the sauce only. buttery and creamy. Oh my god. Wow, now that is delicious. That's very good. Alright guys, try this at home. This is very good. Trust me. Low carb, keto friendly. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like down below. If you don't like it, you can dislike it and watch it too. Please share this video. Please comment down below. Please subscribe, and when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm gonna pick 2 lucky people to win each a $20 gift.